Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because I am currently on my way to buy my new camera. The crowd goes wild. I have no makeup on. I put on a little lipstick so I could look less, I don't know, I want to look more presentable, you know. I feel very strongly that when you go to certain stores, the way you're dressed or whatever way you look is how people treat you. I don't know if that's like a New York thing or if it's just like an everywhere situation. What is that sound? Anyway, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna get my camera. So I'm trying this YouTube thing. Not because I have something to teach or something to share, but because why not? Like, I feel like if somebody asks me for advice on any subject, either makeup or life or anything that I can share about the little stuff that I know, if I can help one person, I feel like that's very good, because that makes one person interested in what I have to say. And there's billions of people in the world. Like, I remember when YouTube first came out, YouTube was about broadcast yourself. Just putting yourself out there, showing off your talents, talking about anything or talking about nothing at all. 1 second, guys. Safety. Safety before anything else. Ooh, the police over there. But yeah, like I was saying, ooh, so many potholes. Oh, now I'm crooked. Oh, guys, hold on. Okay, there we go. And okay, we're just gonna have to do the video like that for a while, because there's a lot of potholes in my neighborhood. But anyways, YouTube back in 2008, when it first came out, or when I first became aware of it, it was about broadcasting yourself. What do you have to say? What do you want to say? You know, what do you want to share? You know, do you have a talent? You could talk about music, you could talk about what you're passionate about, and anything. Now, somebody like me, I am passionate about many things, and I'm passionate about nothing. But one thing I know for sure that I enjoy doing, besides talking, obviously, I enjoy taking pictures. And I can talk on the camera for a long time. I don't know if that's a gift or a curse. So I figured that you guys deserve good quality. So I know that main thing about YouTube is you need to have good quality videos and good content. Now, I'm not a professional. I don't have a specific talent that I can put myself out there that I know people are gonna like. I can only share little things about myself and little things that I know, and hopefully you guys will like it. But something that I can control is the quality that I put out there when it comes to the video. Now, I've been taking videos on my phone, which is a good phone, don't get me wrong, but by all means it is not a camera. Now, I do know that there have been movies that have been filmed with Samsung phones, even with iPhones, and even they won some awards, if I'm not mistaken. I know about one movie that was filmed with an iPhone, and it did really, really, really well. Critically acclaimed wise, but I can't remember the name, because obviously I didn't watch the movie. But it is possible. All you need is a camera, and you can put yourself out there. However, I don't have those skills, so I need all the help that I can get. But one thing that I know that I enjoy doing is taking pictures. If you go through my Instagram account, I have thousands of pictures of me, my kids, stupid stuff. Just thousands of pictures. So I decided to go for the Canon 80D because one, it has the autofocus. I always struggle with that word. Focus. Autofocus. Anyways, it has that. And I noticed when I was doing my makeup video the other day, I kept going in and out, and it's very like, I don't know, it's very annoying to me to see that in videos. So I thank you for the people who stuck through and watched the entire thing. But it has autofocus. What else does it bring? I don't know. But everybody can be talking about it. ADD. It's great for pictures. It's great for videos. So the reviews are good. All the videos that I watch on the specs are good. It's all the specs that I'm looking for that I can't name on the top of my head. So I'm on my way to a Best Buy right now, hoping that I can get the camera. And once I have it, I'm going to do a little unboxing in the same video and tell you guys more of the stuff that you want to hear, which is the specs. Specs on specs. But I'm doing it because you guys deserve better quality. And also, I need a better camera to take pictures. I get very envious when I see people around my job and they're taking these beautiful photos and all that stuff that I can capture some of the stuff with my phone and it's still pretty good quality, but it's not the same. It is not the same. So sorry. I know I get very distracted going, woo! Safety. See that guy almost. I can go. Can I come? Okay. They're doing a lot of constructions right now in this area, and it's crazy. They have like a whole side of a two-way avenue closed off. Anyways, not gonna make this part any more longer because what you really guys want to see is the specs and the camera itself. So there you go. Hello, and I'm back from Best Buy, and I'm joined by my micromanage team, aka my kids. This is my son, John Carlos, and that over there is Jamie. She'll be back. Anyway, so I'm doing like a mini haul to show what I bought, and he's excited because he wants to see the camera. She's excited, I don't know why. It's okay, you can just stay there. Get in frame. There, okay. So, I got a couple of items. So I went over there to buy the camera, but I got a little bit overboard because like I knew what I wanted, and I'm like, I want this, I want that, but I need this. So, okay. The first item that I got, a tripod. It's a regular tripod. It's a 50-inch Travel Smart tripod. This is what it looks like. Hi. Okay, get closer so you can give her space. Okay, this is the tripod. Let's open it up. I have no fancy. I have a phone in here. Okay, so we have. It comes in this little case. Okay, hold the box. Okay, let her hold the box. She wants to hold the box.
I'm just gonna put that in.
Okay. And then this is what it looks like. I am not gonna open it because if I open it, the baby's gonna grab it and then she's gonna break it. And I believe this was $16.99 that I paid for it.
$17.
I'm gonna link all the prices below in the description box because some of the stuff I remember, some I don't. So that's that. The next item that was very needed for making videos is my memory card. I got a...
The memory card.
Yeah. And it's a... What is this? The kid... Why are you speaking so softly? You're always yelling. Now you want to be all soft? What is this?
SanDisk.
What is this?
SanDisk.
Okay. This is a SanDisk Extreme Plus. How many gigabytes?
128.
Not me.
Oh, you? Okay. How many gigabytes?
Yes.
Exactly. So,
Mommy,
once again,
Now take it out.
I'm not going to take it out because she's going to grab it and then we're going to lose it.
Mommy,
Put it to the side.
Mommy.
Next item.
I don't trust. Please
Oh.
the camera.
I am so sorry. Ah, no. No. Van a el video. Ya, shh. Démele. Ah, ¿a qué no va a salir? just ignore her. Maybe she'll stop. Okay.
Hopefully she stops. Please be the camera.
No.
Okay, deja la cámara.
I can't find it. Next item.
Oh, where you save the videos. I don't know the name of it, but yeah.
It's a. I think the name is. I think is that the brand I don't know. It's a Thunderbolt USB portable drive. Yamile, no. Apéate.
Just
No se en el video.
let her do it.
We're not gonna let her do it. She's just too happy. She's happy. Okay. I need a knife, and I can't have a knife because kids. So this is what it looks like. It looks just the same. For specs, I don't know. I'm not an expert, but it says professional and all-terrain mobile storage, 2 terabytes. It is USB-C compatible. It is compatible with Windows and Mac. I don't know. This is what it looks like. You guys can pause it and read the specs. Okay.
Now,
Finally, what he's been waiting for all this long.
not even that long, but yeah. For a long time.
What do you mean for a long time?
Since you got here.
I know. A plastic bag. Okay, I'm joking.
Come on.
Another plastic. No. Okay.
Yes!
This is a Canon EOS 80D. Dash.
She said, I want to open it.
I want to open it. If you touch it, then she won't. Siéntate aquí, ven. Siéntate aquí, Yamile. Ponte aquí.
I'm just going to stand
Okay.
up.
Okay.
I'm just going
If you touch it, then she wants to touch it.
I'm just going to go in here.
Okay. Oh, I'm struggling. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Yay.
We have some paperwork. This is the basic instruction manual. Llévatela. Basic instruction manual
Yeah, but come on.
and more. I'm gonna read this later.
Wait, I want to see the camera.
This is true. I want to see it too.
We all want to see
This is to register the camera.
The folks want to see it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And then
Wow.
I need that box. What if I have to return it?
She already smashed it.
Oh,
Good luck.
Well,
Good luck.
one thing I can't return no more.
Good luck.
Comes nice and bubble wrapped. We have the battery charger.
Charger.
Oh, okay. I get to connect directly to the wall,
That looks.
and the battery goes here. I didn't buy an extra battery. I have to purchase that soon.
Stop scaring me. Now, time to see the
We have the lens. Which lens did I get? I'm so sorry. This is the EFS 18 to 135 something. Once again, I'm gonna do another video once I play with it and I know more of my first impressions and all the specs in detail. No kids in that video, so it'll be better and more professional, I guess. I'm guessing. We never know. So this is the lens.
I just.
Pretty.
It's so pretty.
It is.
Pretty.
I'm gonna have to cut my nails because it's hard for me to grab.
You're
It has the battery.
Oh.
Yay!
I lost my... No, 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 no,
No.
no,
No. No. Come here.
no. You made it worse. Let her be. Let her be.
Let's play over here.
They said have kids, that it was gonna be fun. They lied.
I hate this. And I love this at the same time.
Quítate eso. Pero quítate la del video. This is the worst unboxing ever. Welcome. My life is hectic.
This is how
That
it's like to have
is
kids.
not a necklace.
This is how it is to have kids.
You are kidding yourself. Okay, the strap. Yes. Okay.
Come on, let's go play.
Then we have
You're gonna ride skateboard.
Tranquilo.
Giancarlos. Para. This is the camera body.
Wait, I want to see. Oh, is that the camera?
No. This is the camera.
Exactly.
And it has a clip thing.
Don't lie to me. Yeah,
Well.
yeah.
What do you think? You like it?
It's so cool.
It's beautiful.
It's wait. That means you're gonna give me the other one.
Yeah. I have to find the charger though.
Mira, te va a quitar
I'll take it
el
without the charger, honestly.
Yamile.
Oh, so beautiful.
You like it?
Yeah. Wait, can you put it in the stand?
Oh, I can't turn it on because it has no batteries. But this is it. I will do a more detailed video once I know more.
Without
And I
Without us.
do. Goodbye.